Hey Neepa, is your tea ready?
How can it be? The earlier tea went completely cold. I had to remake it, all due to my brother.
What? Due to your brother? You know Nanda and Shri? She was telling Grandpa and Grandma about Rudra. I somehow managed to stop her. Still, Grandpa knows there's something fishy.
Huh? What are you saying? Hey Shri, this Nipa will be the reason we will get beaten. So, what's the status of the tea? Tea. Sister, I made such a tea that Rudra will remember this taste forever. You will see. You go, I will bring tea.
Can you?
Oh, yes, go.
Give it to me, Sister Neepa.
No. I made it. I will serve it.
Oh Lord, please help.
Yeah, but
No, I
Hey,
was actually
Rudra.
thinking that.
Tea.
Do I need to have the tea right away?
Oh, Nipa, have you added tea leaves, sugar, and all to the tea?
Rajiv, you do not trust me, do you? Brother said you do not trust me either.
Hey, what trust? Of course I trust you. Rudra, Nipa has herself made tea for you. Have it, please. You won't get any better tea than this. Try it. Sid,
Try.
what happened? What's there to look at? I'll have it.
You're having it? Okay.
Thanks.
What happened, Rudra? Is the tea not good?
No, I mean, yes. Excellent. I mean, very nice. Very nice. Actually, I really have never had such a tea before.
Hey, Rudra. Finishing the tea in one sip like this? I mean, is this how you drink tea? Or are you in a hurry?
Uh,
Or is this specialty something different? Tell me.
no, Rajiv. It's excellent here.
Excellent.
Well, that's it. Happy Nipa? Rudra has complimented the tea made by you, right? Go. Now you can go. Okay, Rudy, listen. Please come outside. Rajiv, you too.
Okay.
I was saying, let the police do what they want to.
No.
Can we look into this Makhan Mandal by ourselves?
Oh wow! Our Nipa could finally make tea.
Hey, Nipa. Why is the salt jar here open?
Oh, yes. Sister Nipa, why is the salt jar open?
What? Hey Mithai, is this salt?
Yes.
What do you think it was? What?
I thought it was powdered sugar. Powdered sugar? Why would we powder the sugar like this? I thought it was kept for the tea. Didn't you see in Sid's room? He keeps sugar cubes and sugar sachets there.
Hey, wait. Sister Nipa, I hope you didn't add salt to Rudra's tea.
Hey Mithai, I mixed it considering it to be powdered sugar. What will happen to me now? I couldn't even create a nice first impression. What did I do, Mithai? What will happen to me now?
Oh Lord, a man asked for some tea and you gave him tea with salt. But why didn't Rudra say anything?
What's the matter? Huh? Nanda?
Our great Nipa served Rudra tea with salt.
What?
Shame on you, Sid. Why did you have to encourage Nipa so much? Tell me.
No wonder. You should have seen Rudy's face. From now on, I'll ask Nipa to make tea whenever Rudy comes here.
Hey, did you notice something? There is something else to be noticed as well. There is, Nanda. Did you see how Rudra praised my salty tea so much? Yay! Hey, Mithai. I'm so delighted, I am delighted. It is becoming quite serious now, Shri. Is it all Nipa's childishness?
Don't you worry, Nanda. I will go talk to her. Really, if it goes on like this, Rudra will be in an awkward position. Nipa?
Now we have to take care of Sister Nipa's project ourselves. Right, Brother Rajiv?
Let it be. You don't need to do any project. First, we need to handle this case properly. Your genius can beat everyone in a competition of boasting, you know? She trusts everyone. She trusts, and we have to face the consequences. Until it's proven that Mithai is innocent, this house's His Highness, Mr. Samresh Modak, will consider Mithai the culprit. And that will hurt Grandpa a lot, Rajiv.
Will it only hurt Grandpa? Not you.
If any innocent person has blamed unnecessarily, then I can't tolerate that. I can't tolerate injustice, Rajiv.
So, Mithai, will you still say my brother is just repaying your favors?
No, Sister Nanda. He might be working on a project, you see. Your food. It would be better to eat the food before it gets cold.
Mithai, please don't disturb me. It irritates me a lot.
Yes. Mithai disturbs you. What was the need to bring me here then? The prince will not hear anything about that. It's okay if Mithai stays or not. I wonder, oh Lord, the day you clear out all these issues, Mithai will return to Jonoi then. What will the prince do then? First, he won't be able to digest his food, as there won't be anyone to call foolish, you see. And when he won't find his things easily, there won't be anyone to yell at either.
Just stop this nonsense, Mithai. What are you saying, huh? That you'll return to Chennai once it's all over? Have you forgotten what Grandpa said? What did Grandpa ask you to do? Stay in this house, right? What are you saying then?
Mithai is right, Siddharth. Do you remember what you told Mithai before leaving for abroad? Everyone in this family has assumed that you have accepted the marriage. You were supposed to tell grandfather everything from abroad gradually. Didn't you say? If we stay apart, no one will worry about our marriage's future. What will grandfather's grandson do now? Has someone thought about that? What happened? Speechless, right? Listen, no problem. Mithai is here. Mithai will fix everything. Mithai will ask grandfather that she doesn't want to stay in this marriage anymore. Anyway, grandfather's grandson didn't benefit from marrying Mithai. Grandfather's grandson couldn't do anything properly since I came here. So, what Torsha ma'am said, is it all true? Have the people from abroad really complained about you? You had to see these letters too due to me.
Mail. No one sends letters anymore. I did get a mail, but there was nothing good mentioned there. Actually, you know what, Mithai? When Ratul emailed me, I didn't even waste a single second. I just left. Yes, it would have been better if I'd called him once to explain, but I didn't get a chance for that. But it'll all be managed, Mithai. You don't have to worry about all this. And listen, don't blame yourself unnecessarily. Don't be oversmart. There's no need to tell Grandpa anything about marriage either. If I tell Grandpa that I can't accept this marriage, then he'll be shocked, but he'll be even more shocked if he hears about these stupid lies. And honestly, I'm not even thinking about this now. I'm just not able to. Listen, Mithai, Look at the laptop. Come on, check here. I've made a flow chart. The day the base kitchen caught fire, the things that happened before that. Have a look at it. Come on, check.
Project. The Mithai Rescue Project is on again. That's
Yeah, it's
it.
a project if you consider it one. And the term is the project. Project, okay? Not project. Okay, listen, Mithai. First, a man comes and tells you that his hunger forced him to steal. He stays in Chennai and used to work in a sweet shop, right? That means he had the plan to frame you. No, I mean, how could he know that you are so silly to think that he was genuinely in a bad spot? No, that means the one who planted him has given him a proper briefing. I mean, the one who sent Makhan Mandal knows you quite well. Who can it be? Aditya Agarwal? Or is it some hidden foe?
Foe? My foe? Who can it be?
That's exactly my point, Mithai. Next, the day the fire started was the day you gave Makhan Mandal the advance, right?
Yes.
But who took the picture? Some photographer on rent? No, how could he know that you would pay him the advance that day? That means the one who did this lives somewhere nearby. Next, the file that Aditya Agarwal gave to you during arguments, you threw that file on the bench. Who covered that file then? And where did Makhan Mandal disappear? Even police informers couldn't trace him. You know, Mithai, after studying everything, I agree with Mr. Bishwas. Someone has planned this whole thing and trapped you. And no one can plan this other than an enemy. Okay, Mithai, can you give me an accurate description of that Makhan Mandal? Hold on a second. Yeah, check this out.
Wow. Grandfather's grandson can draw this well.
Actually, we need to make sketches during client briefing. It's a practice. Okay, Mithai. I think we must go to the base kitchen today late in the night.
Hmm.
We need to search the place.
The police have that surrounded. How will we enter?
We'll
that
enter from
place?
the back door, break it, and enter. If we go there, I'm sure we'll get some or the other clue.
Hmm. And then, if we are caught, we will both be behind bars. Have you thought of what might happen then?
Yeah, have you left me with any other option? Look, Mithai, before the hearing, we need to find that man at any cost. Else the police can arrest you again. And I can't let that happen. Listen, Mithai, we have to go to the base kitchen tonight anyhow. And we won't inform Rudy, he will forbid this.
Grandfather's grandson is so worried for Mithai.
Don't be silly, Mithai. Please. An innocent person is blamed needlessly, and how can I not worry about that? Tell me. Nonsense. Anyway, let me change. I still need to unpack. Where's my suitcase? Huh? Where's my suitcase? Where's the suitcase? I don't believe this. Who did this? Tufan Mail? No way.
I always remember everything once done, okay?
Hmm.
Mithai has a style of doing anything. But people don't get that anyway. Leave it. I will be ready and steady to play detective at night. I have a lot to do now. Okay, side please.
I knew this. Style.